Hi there, number 4. Some people might disappoint you and you might want to express your feelings to them right away. Here are some phrases to help you in Nigerian Pidgin English. I dey disappointed in you. You disappoint me. My guy, you yab. You mess up. You fall my hand. You fuck up. You dey lose guard. You lose guard. You misbehave anyhow. Wetin be your problem? You Jones. You slack. You let me down. You don't enter one chance. You disgrace yourself anyhow. You no try at all. You dull yourself. You dull yourself. You mess up. If somebody tell me, I no go believe. Nothing for you. Nothing for you. Do you have any phrases that you know in Nigerian Pidgin English to express disappointment? Please share with us in the comment section. See you in my next video. I don't waka. Bye. I go treat your fuck up. No levels for you. Oh boy, your waka no pure. Habana.